Most travelers stick to Myrtle Beach and Charleston, but what if we told you South Carolina hides places even locals keep quiet about? If you're tired of the same travel reels and want something truly off the radar, you're in the right place. There are places where South Carolina reveals its soul, one hidden gem at a time. Let's begin. Top 10. Edisto Island. Tucked away on Edisto Island, Botany Bay Plantation is a secluded haven for nature lovers. This 4,600-acre preserve boasts scenic trails, moss-draped oaks, and a picturesque boneyard beach where driftwood trees create an eerie, photogenic landscape. Once private farmland, it's now home to a wide variety of wildlife, from sea turtles to white-tailed deer. With no commercialism in sight, the unpaved roads and quiet, untouched beauty offer a glimpse into a South Carolina few tourists ever see. Top 9. Stumphouse Tunnel. This partially completed railroad tunnel from the 1850s lies in the mountainous upstate region. Originally intended to connect Charleston to the Midwest, construction was halted due to the Civil War. Now a historic site, the tunnel stretches over 1,600 feet into the Blue Ridge Mountains and maintains a cool, damp atmosphere year-round. Nearby Issaquena Falls adds to the location's mystique, with legends of a Native American maiden tied to its name. The surrounding park area makes it a peaceful yet slightly spooky destination for hikers and history buffs. Top 8. Pearl Fryar's Topiary Garden. In a modest neighborhood of Bishopville lies one of the most unique gardens in America. Pearl Fryar, a self-taught topiary artist, transformed his yard into a whimsical world of geometric and abstract shapes using hedge clippers and an inspired imagination. What started in the 1980s has grown into a 3-acre sculpture garden attracting art lovers and gardeners alike. Each shrub tells a story of perseverance, creativity, and community pride, with positive messages like love, peace, and goodwill spread throughout the space. Top 7. The Center for Birds of Prey. Located just north of Charleston, this research and education center is a sanctuary for raptors from around the world. The Center for Birds of Prey houses eagles, hawks, falcons, and owls in a natural forested setting. Visitors can attend flight demonstrations, observe feeding sessions, and even walk along tranquil wooded trails. What sets this destination apart is the up-close access to these majestic birds in a non-zoo environment, allowing for a deeper appreciation of avian life and conservation efforts. Top 6. Capers Island Heritage Preserve. Capers Island is a barrier island only accessible by boat, located just off the coast of Isle of Palms. Untouched by development, this uninhabited preserve offers pristine beaches, salt marshes, and a surreal boneyard beach filled with bleached driftwood trees. Kayakers and eco-tourists flock here for birdwatching, fishing, and primitive camping. With no roads, electricity, or facilities, Capers Island provides a rare opportunity to experience South Carolina's coastal wilderness as it was centuries ago. Top 5. Chow Ram County Park. Often overlooked in favor of more popular mountain destinations, Chow Ram County Park offers waterfalls, a sandy river beach, and lush hiking trails, all without the crowds. The park's centerpiece is the 40-foot Chow Ram Falls, formed where Ramsey Creek flows into the Chowga River. A suspension bridge spans the river, leading to more than 4 miles of peaceful trails through the forest. This spot is perfect for swimming, tubing, or simply picnicking by the water in a quiet setting. Top 4. The Kazoo Factory Museum. In the charming coastal town of Beaufort, you'll find one of the most unexpected hidden gems, the Kazoo Factory. As one of the only remaining kazoo manufacturers in the US, this small but fascinating museum offers tours that explore the quirky history of the kazoo. Visitors even get the chance to build their own. The factory tour is a light-hearted, family-friendly experience that reveals the craftsmanship behind one of the simplest musical instruments and celebrates its American roots. Top 3. 40-acre Rock Heritage Preserve Kershaw. Located in the Piedmont region, 40-acre rock isn't actually 40 acres, but it feels massive. This large granite outcrop is surrounded by a unique ecosystem, including waterfalls, wildflowers, and rare plant species like the elf orpine. The hike to the rock is short and easy, making it accessible to most visitors. From the top, you get sweeping views of the countryside, especially beautiful during sunrise or sunset. The preserve also has interesting geological features and hidden caves for adventurous explorers. Top 2. The ruins of Old Sheldon Church. Between Beaufort and Yemassee stands one of South Carolina's most hauntingly beautiful landmarks, the Old Sheldon Church Ruins. Built in the mid-1700s, the church was burned by British troops during the Revolutionary War and again during the Civil War. Today, massive brick columns, archways and tombs stand beneath ancient oak trees. The site is both serene and powerful, offering a reminder of the state's complex history. Photographers and history enthusiasts often find themselves drawn to the quiet reverence of the location. Top 1. South Carolina Artisan Center. Though small in size, the South Carolina Artisan Center is big on culture. Nestled in the quaint town of Walterboro, this hidden gem showcases the work of more than 300 juried artists from across the state. From pottery and basket weaving to paintings and woodwork, every piece reflects the rich heritage and contemporary talent of South Carolina's artisans. Visitors can meet artists, attend workshops, and even purchase one-of-a-kind pieces. The center plays a vital role in preserving folk traditions while supporting the state's thriving art community. Which of these hidden gems are you adding to your travel bucket list? Or do you know a secret spot in South Carolina we missed? Let us know in the comments below. If this journey inspired you to explore beyond the obvious, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more off-the-map adventures, and turn on notifications so you never miss a hidden treasure.